Let's look at how we're supposed to balance these chemical reactions that I gave you. So we're going to go over these. First one says you got H2Cu2O4 plus NaOH, and that's supposed to form Na2C2O4 plus H2O. Alright, what we're going to do is we're going to make our bubbles in order to balance this. So look at the very first one, and we've got 2 H's, 2 C's, and 4 O's. Plus we've got an Na, an O, and an H. That's got to be equal to 2 Na's, 2 C's, and 4 O's, plus 2 H's and an O. So remember my rules that I told you? Start with the first element all the way over to the left, but leave hydrogen and oxygen till last. So hydrogen starts here, so let's jump in one, let's do the carbons. We got 2 carbons, over here I got 2 carbons. Sweet, that's good. Skip the oxygen, go to the NAs. I got 1 Na, I got 2 NAs. So I need some more NAs. I need an Na here, that gives me 2 NAs, 2 NAs. All I got left is oxygen and hydrogen. Let's do hydrogen next. 2 plus 2, that's 4. On this side I got 2, so I need another one. That gives me 4 hydrogens. Now look at my oxygens, all that's left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's my answer. So now I go through and go 1, leave it blank, 1, 2, put a 2. 1, leave it blank, 1, 2, put a 2. And there's the answer for that one. Alright, let's go on to the next one. Next one says Zn plus PbNO3 2 forms ZnNO3 2 plus Pb. Alright, do my bubbles. So we've got a Zn plus, I've got 1 Pb, and then I got an N and 3 O's, but 2 times. That's equal to, I got a Zn, I got an N and 3 O's, but 2 times again. Plus I got a Pb. Alright, so double check, see these things are where they're at. We got 1 Zn, 1 Zn. 1 Pb, 1 Pb. N's, 1, 2, N's, 1, 2. All's left is O's, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, well, that one was balanced just the way it's set. I don't have to do anything. It's a 1, 1, 1, 1. Or put nothing in it, basically, because that's what nothing means, is to have 1. Alright, so that one's done. Alright, next one. Alright, so this one we've got, in front of here we got an Fe plus, I got an S, that's equal to this whole thing, which is an Fe, and 3 S's. So Fe's, I got 1 Fe, I got 2 Fe's. So I need another Fe over here. That gives me 2. S's, I got 1 S, I got 1, 2, 3 S's. So I need some more S's. And guess what? There it is. So I got 1, 2, put a 2. 1, 2, 3, put a 3. And 1, so leave it blank. And there's the answer to that one. Alright, next one. Next one, I got KClO3 forms KCl plus O2. Alright, so do my circles. This is all one thing over here because there's no plus. So that's KCl and 3 O's. That's equal to a K and a Cl plus 2 O's. So start with the first element on the left, leave oxygen and hydrogen until last. So K, 1, 1. Cl, 1, 1. Oxygen, I got 3, I got 2. Oh, remember I said if you got an odd and even where they won't ever balance up, then go to the very first thing, double it, start all over. So we're going to double this guy, start all over. So now I got 1, 2 KLs, K's, so I need another K there. That gives me 1, 2, 1, 2. CLs, I got 1, 2, 1, 2. Oxygens, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I need some more over here. There's 4, there's 6. So now it's all even. So now I go through and do my numbers. 1, 2, 2 of that guy, 1, 2, 2 of that, 1, 2, 3, and 3 of that guy. And there's my answer. All right, on to the next one. So, next one, oh, he's a big guy. C10H22 plus O2 forms CO2 plus H2O. Alright, this one's going to take a lot of bubbles, huh? Alright, so this one, I got 10 C's. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And 22 H's. There's 5, 10, 15, 20, there's 22. Plus, I got 2 O's. That's got to be equal to a C and 2 O's plus 2 H's and an O. Okay. So, C's, I got 10 C's, I got 1 C, so I need some more of this. There's 2. There's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 10 C's. H's, I got 22 and I got 2, so I need some more of this guy. There's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22. Okay, now we're to O's. On this side I got 2. On this side I got, oh my goodness, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. Oh no, I got an odd and an even. Because I got an odd and even, what I need to do on those is I need to go back, double this guy, and start all over. Oh goodness, oh man. What time we at? Okay, so we're gonna double this guy. So I gotta do this. Alright, there's all my C's. And my H's, I gotta do all those guys again. There's 5, 10, 15, 20, 2. Alright, so now I got 20 C's and over here I only got 10. Oh man. So I gotta add some more of these guys, don't I? So I gotta go, oh, there's 10, there's 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Great. Let's make sure. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yep, there's 20 C's. Goodness, that's a lot. Now my H's, I got 22. I got 44 H's. Oh my goodness. On here I got 22, so I need some more. And there's 24, 26, 28, there's 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44. I'm gonna make sure I got that right. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44. Okay, so my H is even, my C's are even. All that's left is my O's. So I got 2 O's on that side. But on this side, how many do I got? Oh my word. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40. There's 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62 of them. There's 62 of them. So that means if there's 62, that means I need to make this times 31 of them. Right? 2 times 31, 62. I hope you don't want me to make all those. I'm going to pass on it. So 1, 2, so I need 2 of this guy. I need 31. Well, it's 31 of that guy. This thing I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So I got 20 of that guy. And this one I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So there's 22 of that guy. And there's my equation. Goodness gracious, that's a lot, isn't it? Man. Okay. So now it's time to go on to the next one. Next one, I'm going to show you a different way of doing this. It still works out exactly the same way, but it's a little different way of doing them. Some teachers will only teach you the next way in which I'm going to do this. So we got C8H18 plus O2 forms CO2 plus H2O. All right, in order to do this, again, like I said, you can do the bubbles. The bubbles will work all the time, every single time. But this is the way a lot of chemistry teachers like to do it. And they say, well, first element's carbon. So how many carbons on that side? There's 8. How many on this side? There's 1. So I got to put an 8 in front of this. 8 times 1 makes that 8. If I'm confusing you, go back to the bubbles, okay? H, there's 18. On the other side, I got 2. So I got to put a 9 in front of this. So 9 times 2 makes that 18 on that side. So that's even. O's, I've got 2. This side I got 8 times 2, that's 16, plus 9 times 1, that's 9, so this is 25. Now that side over there is never going to make 25. So what do I got to do? I go back over here, double this guy, and start all over. Let's do this in a different color now because I doubled it. So I got on this side now, I got 16. And on this side then, to get this to be 16, I got to erase that, make this 16. 16 times 1, that's 16. This is why sometimes this gets confusing, is because you got to erase things, and you have to multiply things I'll show you in a moment. All right, 2 times 18, that's 36 H's on that side. This side, now I got to have to erase that 9. We got to go get this to 36. So I need 18 times 2, that's 36 H's. O's, I still got 2 on that side. This side, and this is where people will make a mistake. They forget that this 16 applies to that. So it's 16 times 2, that is 32, plus 18 times 1, so that's 50 O's. Well, on this side, we got to put a 25 in front of that, and that would make this 50 O's. So now everything is even that way, all right? And again, like I said, if what I did here was confusing to you, then just go back to doing the bubbles. The bubbles will work every single time. This is just a different way of doing it, and then some people find that they like this way also. So it's wholly up to you which way you want to do it. I think this way leads to more mistakes, right, than the bubbles. The bubbles lead to a lot less mistakes. All right, we're going to stop on this one. We're going to go to part number 2 to finish it up.